In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize Cami to annotate over top of a document. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to camiapp.com, or there are different extensions out there that students can add to their Chromebooks in order to do this. And the nice thing about it is it is a website where you can sign in with Google. So I'm just going to simply go to sign in. And if you've never done it before, you can obviously sign up that same way. So I'm just going to log in. And what it's going to allow me to do is it's going to allow me to open something from a Google Drive or open from Classroom. So I already have something that's already opened on my computer, but I could also obviously choose from Google Drive. So I'm going to simply click from my computer, and I have a PDF as a sample. And you can see it's some workbook pages from iReady Math. And you can see it looks exactly the same way that it has as if it was just right there in front of me. So you can notice it says upgrade right now. I'm using the free version. The paid version is free right now for a limited time, but you can do just as much with the free. You can see whatever is locked is obviously part of the free version. But one of the things I just wanted to point out were some of the tools. So for example, if I go to markup, I have the option to do a text highlighter, which means I can highlight text and it would turn it to whatever color I choose. I can do a box, I can do strike through, I can underline, things like that, and then obviously choose my color palette. I can add comments, the text box, so right here some lines to type. I can click anywhere I want on the page and I'm able to type. Drawing, let's say for example, I click on drawing. The nice thing is you can choose your color, but then you can also choose your thickness. So you can see how thick it would be. So if I would choose the thickest, you can see it's pretty thick. So I'm going to switch it to something thin. And then obviously I'm doing it on a mouse. It's much easier for students because they have touchscreen. But the whole point is when you get to pieces where they would need to write in or type, they could either choose if they want to draw it or they want to use the text box. But it really comes in handy, for certain things. Is real easy. There's different shapes I can choose from. So there's a lot of different features that obviously you as a teacher can use as well as a student. The biggest thing to understand is when I'm finished is the only thing I need to do up here is I need to hit download and then how I want to export it. I'm just going to export it on my computer as a sample, but students would obviously choose Google Drive. The original has no annotations on it. We want to make sure we're choosing the PDF with all annotations. So I'm going to call this Cami sample. And then I'm going to hit begin export. And then once it's done, I'll be able to open it up and see all those annotations. And there they are. Nice thing about this is then the students can do this and submit this right through Google Classroom or whatever virtual environment that you are using.